TEC LiquiDam Penetrating Moisture Vapor Barrier is a proven moisture mitigation product formulated to be applied to damp or new concrete as little as 48 hours old. LiquiDam can be applied directly to green concrete up to 100% RH, and there is no need for shot blasting clean, sound concrete, including burnished concrete. LiquiDam is used as a moisture vapor barrier under the installation of floor coverings, tile, stone, and concrete toppings. It is ideal for use with other TEC adhesive, patch, underlayment, self-leveler, and mortar products. It only requires one coat and will permeate to fill voids and gaps. With a cure time of 4 to 5 hours, the flooring can be installed the same day. Let's begin. Conduct a surface evaluation and preparation. All substrates must be structurally sound and free from any contaminants. Once you've properly prepared your substrate, lay out a 150 square foot grid on the substrate for each 1 gallon blended kit before you begin. Pour all of LiquiDam Part A pouch into an empty 2-gallon pail. Then pour all of the LiquiDam Part B curing agent into the 2-gallon pail and mix both thoroughly for 3 minutes using a slow-speed mixer. Immediately after mixing, pour the blended gallon across the grid area while spreading with a squeegee or 1/16 inch square notch trowel, allowing the product to saturate the surface. Do not move fast. Saturate a 3/16 inch nap foam roller and back roll the surface to evenly distribute the product, working at a smooth, even pace. Evaluate the surface periodically to ensure a smooth, continuous film. It may be necessary to wait up to 5 minutes before backrolling to minimize surface bubbles. Do not overwork. After completing the application, immediately clean all the equipment with denatured alcohol or soap and water. Store LiquiDam in a cool, dry location. Do not freeze or leave containers exposed to sunlight or excessive heat. Keep in mind, when prepping for your flooring installation, that once LiquiDam is cured, prime the surface with undiluted TEC multi-purpose primer. After the primer dries, apply a 1/8 inch cementitious underlayment before installing the floor coverings. For more information, visit techspecialty.com.